Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Silent Hill F game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after logging in you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box and then type in Silent Hill F to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and after entering your date of birth, you will be taken into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Once you click on it, you can then click on View My Card in order to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After filling up all of your credentials and confirming your payment, the game will be added to the library as soon as your payment is complete. You can then start enjoying the Silent Hill F game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Silent Hill F on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.